Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? In this video I'm going to tell you about Uptrend. Uptrend is a social media website, but it shares its earning with you guys. Yes, you guys. You can earn by simply making posts on this website, or you can earn by making comments on this website. Yes, easy as that. And what's the best deal about it? It pays you in cryptocurrency. They have their own ERC20 token known as the 1UP token. They pay you in their own cryptocurrency. So let's go check this website out and do not miss this video. This video is going to help you a lot. If you just get the hint of this website, you're going to earn a lot of money. So please do watch this video and do make an account on this website. That can help you a lot. It pay you in cryptocurrency for simply making posts and comments, and I have taught you how to do that.
So we are here on the screen. You can see that this is the interface of uptrend.com. This is the logo, the ribbon, and these are where the statistics are shown. These are my statistics. You see, I'm presently on level 9. I need 595 uptrend tokens to reach level 10, and these are the activity bonus levels. If you load 10 pages daily, you receive the activity bonus. This is my profile. I will give link to my profile in the website. You can find my profile and do follow me. You can send me messages directly here and I will answer any queries that you may have. So you see, this is the general layout of this website, which is a social media platform. People make posts here and they get paid for it. You see, there are many communities. Actually, when you will first sign up, you will only need your email and a password. That is it. You will provide your email and a new password you have to create for this website. That is it, and your account will be made after you confirm it from your email. You will, when you sign up, see a lot of communities, and I suggest that you join as many as you can. In each community you will find posts related to that community. Only in photography you will find posts related to photography. If you make irrelevant posts, it will most surely get you downvotes, which you do not want. So you see, general community is the one I like the most, because here you can post absolutely anything. You go to my point, anything. So if you are not sure where you should post, and I suggest you do post here deliberately, because this is the place where most of the people are. Coming to the point straight, how we are paid. So we get paid. See, I have 258 1UP tokens right now. How did I receive them? I received them from the different activities I made. From the activities I made, let me show you my point history straightforward. Cut the gibbering. You see, I got 0.20 tokens when this person upvoted my comment. I did a comment on his post and he gave me an upvote. That is to say, a like, and I got some points. Here again, I got the same points. This is, I used a trick. I saw that this person was not on a higher level, so I made two comments consecutively on his same post, and he gave me two upvotes, so they do amount to some amount when combined. And this Sarisha, she is around level 11. When a person on a higher level gives you an upvote, it makes a good number of points. So the points credited to me were 0.71 up tokens. See, she also upvoted me and he also did, but his upvotes did not give me that much credit. When Sahil Shah did, it gave me 0.7691 up tokens. So try to post quality comments on the posts of people who are on high levels. So when she upvoted my two comments, I got nearly 1.51 up tokens. Easy peasy. So that's one way of getting tokens. You do comments on others posts and they upvote you. When they upvote you, or anybody else, if anybody upvotes your comment on anyone's post, you get tokens. But keep in mind, if it is not a healthy talk, they may downvote you too, and that will cut your points. See, this Ishal Kakada voted me and I got 1.3 tokens, 1.13 tokens whole themselves. So the higher the level of the person who is supporting you and higher your level, both combined calculate the amount of tokens you are going to get. So just I have told you how you can earn. There are two ways. You can make your own post, or you can comment on anybody else's post. Let me first show you how to comment. Well, everybody knows that, in fact, but still, on uptrend you have to make sure you are not spamming. You read the post and then you comment about it. So find a post that you know how to keep resolutions. From the title you can get the idea what he would be saying about it, and he's level 2, so it is worth giving a shot. So you see, about a post you can see the information that already 70 upvotes have been given to this single post. Man, this guy is getting some real money from a single post. Can you even imagine? 70 upvotes, that would have given him around, I would say, a $half for this single article, which is a very thoughtful writing. That is the key to it. He has written a lot long post describing everything about it which he wanted to say. So that is what has earned him a lot of credit. Now I am going to comment about it. I have given it a read, so you should also give it a fully a read once and then comment something about it. So if you are a novice user and you want to get a lot of upvotes quickly, then avoid these long posts or at least understand the gist of them. So I am going to say yes, I totally do agree. Do you know the normal thing that you have said the right thing and what we should do about it? So that it gives an idea that you have read the post and you are putting out your own thoughts and not spam out there. See, make sure make sure you do not make any grammatical errors too. We should consider is that everything comes to an end. Yes, everything comes to an end, and so will the miseries. I will just see. I've typed a nice comment. Although it is short, I would have wanted it to be a bit longer, but I type my comments usually on my mobile phone. I'm not quite comfortable on my laptop, so I'm just going to hit the comment button here. Now I've left commented, keep in mind, do upvote that person. You are saying that you like his post and you are not upvoting it. That does not make any sense. Give them a thumbs up, give them support. Now this is going to get this person some real money. So he will most surely come to see my own comment and give me an upvote too. So the next time I will know, oh yes, this person upvoted me. I will again comment on his post and he will comment on mine. We will build a healthy relationship here. You understanding what I'm saying? Build healthy relationships with people. I have given the upvote because the post was worth it. Do not upvote shit posts. See, I like this person's thinking, I will give him an upvote too, and I will give him an upvote too because I'm just about to go out of here. Why not? Why not, huh? I will give an upvotes, and now when he checks my comment, I will most surely receive an upvote myself. See, this is how you do comments. You simply comment and then you go back and find another post to comment on. When they will see or anybody else will upvote me like I upvoted the comments of other people's, I will get my points. Now how to make your own post? You simply click on home. I am already on home, but I am just demonstrating it. You click here on home, it will load, and here will be the create post option. If you are using mobile phone, there will be a feather type icon appearing right here on every page. You simply click on it and you can go to the create post section. Now before getting a post, keep in mind you have to make it well thought out. It should contain all the content. It should also have a picture because it is attractive when you have a picture in it. Now there are, when I have here, you can select the community where you are going to comment. I told you about the communities. You have to select a community in which you are going to put your post in. Just leave boost post for some time. It is not for the beginners. Now these are the two things: source, original content, non-original content. Make sure you take original content and put your own original content. At least 80% should be yours, not copy pasted. If you are copy pasting, then go for non-original content, but that will give you only half the money. See, now what we are going to post? I'm going to post about this nice little website here because that is also a truly earning website, and I'm going to make a video about it real quick. Hold on tight. If you don't want it early, tell me in the comments. I'm going to post about it. I'll just take a screenshot. I have already copied my referral link here. Oh, referral link. As I'm going to paste my referral link here, that tells me that I should put it in the referral links community. I'll just search for it. Who will find it in these all communities? Just referral links. This is the community I'm going to post it to. It is my original content, and the title would be Web Talk, a legitimate earning website. It is the end. Okay, now I'm going to type a lot of things about Web Talk, and then we will post it with the picture attached. Here you are going to type it. You can choose the color, anything that a normal word typing thing has. You see, I can clear the formatting. I can, so here I can type anything about the content I am creating. I can type, let me type anything, and make sure you know do something bolds, italics, underlines at different points, not at the same point I am just demonstrating here. So that will make it more readable. So there will be the title, and here will be the content, and where will you add the picture? um, mm, 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 mm. Do add picture. I have told you again and again, do add pictures that attract people here. Header image I clicked upon. In mobile you would simply have an add image option. Now I'm going to upload an image. Ouch. Screenshots are not saved by default, so first we are going to save the screenshot. We just going to paint. Come on, quick. We're gonna save it on desktop. JPEG image, and now I'm going to save it in my D drive. Here we are going to the D drive and webdoc.jpg. Simply click on save, and it has been saved. Now I will come to my D drive here. You should have a picture already with you which you're going to upload. See, now it does show up. I will click open, and this. I'm going to repeat all of this due to the confusion caused. I'm really sorry for it. See, I'm going to click on upload image. I'm going to look at that file. It should be in C drive, D drive, wherever you have put it. Simply go find upon it, click it, and click open. There, it would be uploaded. See, now you have a picture. You have to type nice little article about it. It does not need to be article, really, just anything, between a paragraph or two, and you are good to go. So give me some time while I type it. Of course I won't keep you waiting. I'll pause the video. So here you see I have typed it out. I have just given a brief introduction and asked the people to go and register on this. I am going to show you the post once again. I have done it a little slow this time so that you guys get the hint of it. See, I selected the community, the referral links community, which is related to it, but I still suggest that you make random posts in the general community. By random I mean it can be about the flowers, it can be about the weather, but keep it worth reading. Do not make it a spam post. It's an original content, so I ticked the original content box. I put a nice on topic about it. I gave it an image. Now I'm going to post it. Simply I'm going to click here on post, and it is being posted right away. So there you see, it will be up and running. People will see it, they would read it, they would tell me about it in the comments, and they would upvote me. When they upvote me, I will receive my money. I won't receive anything when they only comment, so don't do it with people yourself. First upvote, then comment, and I will most surely upload your comments if they are worth it. Now let me explain this level thing to you. I'm on level 9, you would start on level 1. If you register using my referral link, you will get 50 points for free, 51 of tokens for absolutely nothing. Then there is this limit for every level. For level 10 I have to reach 595 tokens. For level 2 you have to reach only 50 more tokens, that is to say a total of 100 tokens. With these tokens you can keep leveling up. The higher your level, the more tokens you receive per upvote. I hope that is clear to you guys. The higher is your level, the more tokens you will receive. Also, the higher the level of the person giving you the upvote, the more tokens you will receive. So make sure you try getting on a higher level, but you can withdraw your money after you go to the level 5. No big deal. Here are the notifications telling me that I am following this person and she has created a new post. Oh, this person has given me an upvote. I have already checked out this notification. This person also gave me an upvote. This is a good thing. They have given me upvotes on the comments I made on their post. See, not on my post. This is one thing. Keep in mind. Comments also earn you a good amount of money. Do upvote on people with higher levels and it will get you a lot of money. See, this person is on round level 13 and her upvotes matter a lot to me. So I made 2 comments and I have got 2 upvotes. I'm gonna check her profile soon, but still my comment here is done, my post here is done. Any moment I will get notifications that people are giving me upvotes and that will earn me money. So you can see currently I have 258 1up tokens here. I can withdraw when I have 500 upwards, 500 tokens actually, not upwards, 500 tokens, 500 1up tokens. When I have 500 1up tokens, I can withdraw them simply to any of my cryptocurrency accounts having ERC20 support. That need not to make 595. 595 is to reach the level 10. If I level up, I will lose those tokens and my level will be increased. I can choose leveling up or I can choose withdrawing my tokens. That is my own responsibility. When I withdraw them, they will be in my wallet and I can do anything with them I want. I have withdrawn from this website more than once, so give it some time and you can earn a lot of money here. Understood? Just be a part of this community. And they also give an activity bonus. If you load 10 pages in a day, then you will receive some little extra perks. So that is it for today. If you want more videos and if you want on the withdraw process, then do let me know in the comments. Do let me know in the comment section. And this is also a website read upon. It is coming soon your way. Just hold on tight. I will give link to my profile on uptrend. Do follow me. I repeat, do follow me. I got around 177 posts, but I don't have much followers because I did not share it with the community yet. Now I am sharing it, so do follow me. I will provide you with the tips and tricks of how you can manage this website. I will give link to the website itself. First get registered, then follow me. First get registered using the registration link, then do follow me. I will guide you how to make posts. And see, ouch, I have already got the money flowing in upwards and comments. Now I'm going to upvote his comment so he also gets something in return. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz from my side.